Hi guys, this is an update 6 hours ago. Let, let's watch. Oh my god, look at. Oh my god. My sinking, look at. This is my. Oh my god. I think it is 20 centimeters. Yeah, 20 centimeters, guys. Look. This is 20 centimeters, guys. Look at the car. Look at those cars, guys. Oh my god. It's like it's flooding. Look. Even the car. My neighborhood. God. It is too much snow. Nobody clean. Oh my god, guys, look at guys. Oh my god. Guys, look at the car. Look at. Already in my, see? In my legs. Oh, there's no storm. Oh my goodness. Look at guys. Holy shit. This is only 6 hours. The first video that I upload this morning, yeah, I upload my video this morning around 7 o'clock in the morning. 7, yeah. So look what happened. So the car is already sinking. Look the bench. See the bench, and this is the table. Look the table. The table and the chairs, the bench. Oh my god. And look the window. In the basement. That is the window in the basement, and look at almost filled with the snow. Oh my god, and of course look at small terrace. Also look at, oh my god guys. Oh my god, this is my first time. Look at the garbage. Almost, fall with the snow. So this is an update of what I have been uploaded this morning, and as far as I know that this snow will last maybe for the whole night. I don't know. Sometimes the weather is not accurate. Sometimes I'm here in Bathurst and Finch. Look at guys. Oh my goodness. Look at what happened. Look at So everyone out there just keep safe. So the wind is not really, so not strong. But it's pretty cold. It's really cold, guys. Look at the car. The car is already sinking. No one. No, even the maintenance, the one who cleaned the highway. Nobody. Oh my god, what happened? Toronto. to. So thank you guys for watching. This is my update. This is my update video. Keep safe everyone.